Hello to all. In this video, I'm going to share a function called color in Visual Basic for application. So the first we will look to the color with index, how we can find the color and apply the colors on Excel through index. Second, we will see the color through RGB function and then color through VB function. And then we will look to how we can change the color of the font, and then we will look to how we can fill interior colors using index, RGB and VB functions. So let's move ahead and see these functions. Hello to all. This video is about colors in VBA. We will be looking in this video how to use color in VBA. To use the colors, there are three functions: color index, RGB function and VB function. So our first topic today is color index. So to understand in a simple way, I have made a table. In this table, you can, in column A and in column F, you can see there are colors, background colors filled here with some written letters like no fill, square bracket color 0, and so on, crayon, and I have written different colors and their numbers filled with simultaneously filled with their background. If I pick the first one, that is no fill, square bracket color 0, it means if I use color index equals to 0, then it will no fill, or it will remove all the color background from the selected region. For example, if I take this color index 6, means it will fill the interior of the selected region with yellow. So I'll be showing you a few examples. So what I will do, I will change the header of this table from A1 to E1 through using different colors. Go index. So to do that, let's and write a procedure in a module. So the procedure name will be color class, and let me give the range where I want to fill interior fill A1 till E1. So I have given the range. After that, dot interior, then you will go with the color index equals to, and then you can have your index number as of your desire. I think I have made a mistake here. I have just forget double quotation and colon. Okay, now it should be fine. Now I want to use color index 36, means light yellow. So color index 36. Okay, that's, I shouldn't have put this one. Now it's fine. So let's go with different examples. So to do that, let me just copy it for you so that we can have different examples and you can see the changes. Okay, now next I want to fill that with blue color, deep blue. So color index 5. Now I want to have deep yellow, that is color index number 46. Then I want color index 18, and then I want, let's make this one 18 and make the above 1 0 for no fill. Now let's try this. Go to the table, sheet 1, and let me execute this one by one, step by step. It has changed to light yellow, then it has changed to blue, deep blue. Okay, it has no filled, then again the color. So you can see this is the changes how you can use color index numbers to fill interior, or you can also change the font of the selected region. So you can use this table column A and column F for your reference. There are a total of 56 colors I have listed here. So you can use this color index to fill the interior. So let's move to the next topic. The second topic in this video is color with RGB. So RGB is a function. RGB stands for red, green, blue. So this function what it does, it has three combinations of three colors, red, green, blue, and then it gives you the color in VBA. So how we will be using, looking to this table BCD and to GHI, you can see that I have put header as red, green, blue, and here's the red, green, blue. So red, if purely you want a red stands uh, so red has a number defined, that is 255. Green has also 255, and green and blue is also 255. So the combination of these three colors will give you different colors in VBA. So let's go with the example and see how we can use this. Writing a procedure now. Sub class color. So let me refer to the header that is here. That is range A1 till E1 dot interior dot color. Here we will be using color instead of color index, equals to RGB bracket start. And as you can see, syntax says you green as integer, blue as integer, and red as integer. First you'll put the red, what number you want, 0 comma 255 comma 255. Let's pick this and let's move to the table. If I use 255 in red and green, then it will give me yellow color. If I use 255 and 255 in green and blue, then it will give me crayon color, and so on. You can see if I use this three combinations, then it will give me light yellow. If I use this combination, then it will give me blue color. If I use this combination, it will give me a bit deep reddish color. So this all three colors work in different combinations. So we are going to do that. Let me copy this to have different examples. Okay, create some space. Okay, now let me take the combination, this one, that is 0 255 and 204. I've taken this combination, color 33, and then let me take the combination of this one 212, the combination color 46, 255 here, 255, then 102, 102, and then 0. Let's go this with no fill, that is 255, 255, and here as well 255. Let me execute this all three these codes so that we can see the combination of all these three. Okay, there's some issue. E1 dot interior dot color. Okay, I've just missed A1 here as well. Well, A1, let me put A1 here. That is, A1 is the correct reference cell reference. Let me execute now. You can see it has changed to bit bluish, then no fill, then it's the orange, then blue. You can see, so you can use the different combinations of color to get this. You have to remember the to know the color, to use the color you have to remember the combination, that which combination gives you which color. For your reference, if you use this combination, so it will give you the background or background color of this cell, that is F10. If I use this combination, then it will give me the color background of this, that is cell F20, that is color index number 47. So that is all in RGB function. Just a repetition, that R stands for red, green, G stands for green, and B stands for blue. So RGB function works in a combination of red, green, and blue. The third topic in this video is color with VV function. So VV function is also similar to color index and RGB. So what it does, it has a name. Instead of applying the color code or the color combination in the VV function, we write the name of the color. For example, if I want to have a color, let's write the procedure name. A B C is the name of procedure, and let me write the range E1 dot interior dot color equals to VV, and this in VV I have to write color equals to VV and then followed with the name of that color, red. So this is how VV function works. You have to write the entire name of that particular color. You can also find the colors, various colors, with writing VV, then you can press space, and then you have to spell that color properly. For example, if I want crayon color, so CY, you can see if in drop down it has appeared for me, then I can press tab to write this. Again, if I want any other color, VV, so right here, if I want to find light blue, so let me write light. So there is no light blue color with name, let me write it blue. So you can see VV black, VV blue, two has two colors have appeared, so I want blue. Similarly, if I want any other color equals to VV, then orange, so there is no VV orange color, so there are only selective colors codes available with VV function. So you have to but major colors like red, blue, green, crayon, magenta, and so major colors are there in the VV function. If I write pink, let me just keep an example that okay, let me see, this was not VV pink, was not in the drop down, but still I would to check that if there is the particular color is not present, then will it work or not. So let's execute this. It has changed to VV red, crayon, blue, and pink. You can see the color which is not present in was not present in the drop down. If I have mentioned that, then it has made it black. So VV function will only work with those which are listed in the VV functions. So that's all in the VV function. Let's move to the next topic. Now we are going to look to the function how to change the color of the font. For example, the current header or the entire data has black font. So we will be looking how we can change the color font. So with moving ahead, we can change the font color with all the three functions, that is color index, with RGB function, with using VB function as well. So let's go and start this. Let me name this as ABC, and let me have the header, changing the font of the header, range A1 colon E1 dot font dot color index equals to 22. So this is how we can use this. Let me copy this and paste here and put as RGB or RGB, which is start, that is 0 comma 255 comma 255 is close, and let me use one as VV functional as well as VV blue. Okay, now let's execute this three to change the font color of the header using all the three functions. As you can see, it has changed to pink. Okay, there is some mistake. I just forget the extra one more digit here, 255. Let's execute this once again. Okay, there's still some issue, range font dot color. Okay, with RGB there will only be color here. Same goes with VB function as well. It should be color. Let me execute this to change to blue and now to deep blue. So this is how you can change the font color using color index, RGB function and VB function. The last topic of this video is how to fill interior of a cell or of a range. So I've already shown you how to use a color index, RGB and VB, and in all these three functions I have used interior as an example to fill interior. So once again let me show you how you can do. Let me that name the subroutine as QAZ, range A1 to E1 dot interior dot color index equals to 44. Let me just copy this and paste here, and here we will be using the RGB function that is 255 comma 0255, input comma and 255. We close the braces. Let me, and here we, and the third example we will be using how you can use VV function, VV magneta. So let's execute this and see how interior color of this header is changed by the color index, RGB and VB functions. 44, it has changed to orange, and then to its pink, then magenta. I think both are the same. I think let me just make it some other, that is 0. So magenta stands for same. So let me just execute this once more to see the changes of RGB function. It's deep blue, magenta. So this is how you can fill the interior of a cell or of a range using the color index, RGB function and VB function. That's all in this video. Have a good day. Enjoy. Do like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. If you have any question or query, do put them in the comment section. I, I will look into your question and I will try to answer them and post a video on your question. Thank you.